Class 9th Geography, Chapter Natural Regions of the World continued. This is the third part of this chapter. In this chapter, we will study about tropical monsoon region. Location of tropical monsoon region. The tropical monsoon type of climate is found in the tropical regions, where, due to differential heating of land and water, a complete seasonal reversal of winds takes place. Wet onshore winds, that is winds from sea to land, are prevalent in summer, and dry offshore winds, that is from land to sea, blow in winter. Areas or regions. The most clearly defined monsoon climates are located in the coastal areas of the Southeast Asia, India, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Indonesia, South China and Philippines. This area is located within the latitudes 10 degrees north to 30 degrees north. Other areas outside Asia which experience seasonal reversal of winds are said to have only monsoonal reversal of winds, monsoonal tendencies. Such areas exist in the tropical Africa along the southwest coast. Equatorial East Africa, including areas of Malaysia, are found to have monsoonal character. Temperature. In the monsoon regions, the average temperature varies from 27 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius to about 15 degrees Celsius in cool season. There are various factors which affect average temperature and range of temperature. For example, latitude, distance from the sea, water vapor, moisture and cloudiness. Pressure and winds. The monsoon lands are greatly affected by the differential heating of land and water. During summer, the landmass of Asia is heated and low pressure is created. Winds from surrounding seas and oceans start blowing from sea to land, carrying a lot of moisture as they cross the water bodies. These are called southwest monsoons. During winter, the land is cool, but the surrounding seas are still warm, as there is low pressure over the sea. Hence, the winds start blowing from land to sea. Thus, these winds are actually land and sea breezes on a large scale, which are known as summer monsoons and winter monsoon. Precipitation. A typical monsoon climate consists of 3 seasons: summer, winter and rainy seasons. In fact, the rains are totally dependent on the monsoon winds. During summer, the onshore winds blowing from sea to land pick up lots of moisture from the water bodies. Whenever these moisture-laden winds are forced to rise, heavy rainfall occurs. For example, on the windward side of Western Ghats, relief rainfall is experienced as the southwest monsoon strikes and is forced to rise up along the western coast. However, the leeward side of the Western Ghats remains dry. The erratic and irregular nature of monsoons at times is a cause of concern. The failure of the monsoon results in failure of crops, which in turn affects the economy of the country like India. The distribution of rainfall is most uneven. Taking the example of India, the highest rainfall recorded is at Mawsyn Ram, whereas Rajasthan receives less than 25 centimeters of rain. Some areas like eastern coast of India receive rains in winter by retreating monsoons. Northwest India gets rain in summer as well as in winter due to cyclonic depressions. Characteristic features of monsoon type of climate. Seasonal reversal of winds is the chief feature. Temperature ranges from 15 degrees Celsius in the cool season to 32 degrees Celsius in hot season. 3 distinct seasons can be identified: cool dry season, November to February; hot dry season, March to May; hot wet season, June to October. Great variation in rain takes place from 12 cm in the deserts to 200 centimeters in coastal areas. Natural vegetation. The southern part of Southeast Asia near the equator resembles the tropical rainforest. However, the species are limited because the rainfall is seasonal. The drier regions of deserts have thorny bushes, whereas in the regions of wet dry climate, deciduous type of trees are found which can adapt to wet dry climate to dry climate during winter. Species. Teak is the most valuable timber and is used for furniture making. Besides this, san, shisham, remus, mango, neem, sandalwood and many others are found in the deciduous forest which shed their leaves during autumn. Deciduous trees have broad leaves and thick bark so that they can conserve moisture. On the slopes of the Himalayan mountain forest, consisting of spruce, fir, larch and silver oak are found. They provide softwood for matches and paper industry. Agriculture farming is not only the dominant occupation of the greater part of the people, but also form the mainstay of the economy of the Indian subcontinent. Plantation crops like tea and coffee, food crops and cash crops like sugarcane, jute and cotton are grown in the geographical conditions are ideal for these crops. Human adaptations in tropical monsoon region. The lowlands and river valleys have fertile soil and abundant water supply. They are intensively cultivated with some tracts, producing more than one crop during the year. Besides rice, wheat, commercial crops like jute, cotton are also cultivated. The river valleys and delta are densely populated. Mountain tracts are forested and yield hardwood, timber, bamboo. Some forests have been cleared for plantations of coffee and rubber. Primitive tribes inhabit the inaccessible forests. Agriculture is the dominant occupation. Natural vegetation consists of tropical forests which are less dense than equatorial forests. Teak, rosewood, mahogany are valuable trees. Parts of regions such as India, Southeast Asia, West Africa and Northern Australia experience a typical monsoon climate having seasonal reversal of winds. Trade winds prevail in winter and monsoon winds blowing in opposite direction prevail during summer. Winds are onshore during summer. Here ends this chapter.